Oh hey, if you want to know what shower chair is best for your condition, then continue watching. Welcome to another video. I'm T11. I'll be demonstrating various shower chairs in this video and explain why they're used in certain situations. But before I start, it's time to give a shout out to a new subscriber. So today's shout out goes out to Goodfellow. Alright, let's begin. With the plastic shower chair, if your butt is wet, you're going to end up slipping in the shower. And it's also not great for a pressure source. But with this shower chair, it's actually great because it has holes in it, so the water is able to drain. Having a seat cushion is actually better because my butt's able to sink in, which is actually great for stability. When looking for a shower chair, the next thing I look at is what kind of backrest does it have. Because if you have no core balance and you get anything lower than this, then you're going to have problems with stability. And for the people without any backrest, they're probably not even paralyzed to the midsection, or they're just disabled and they're not paralyzed. And if you're paralyzed, I recommend getting a white backrest because it just helps with stability. Now for the next thing you gotta look for is, do you want a grab bar or no grab bar? And if you do, then do you want a single or double grab bar? Grab bar is great because without any core balance, you're going to have problems trying to reach for something without falling. And it just allows you to hold on to something while you're showering. If you want to use two armrests, then I recommend that flips up so it's easier to transfer. You might be wondering, should you get a long or a small seat? For a long seat, you don't have to transfer as far as if it was a small seat because it's much closer to you. I wouldn't recommend a long seat if you have a small restroom. Because it's wide, my wheelchair, and pushing the pins in and then the legs will go down. Also, having a wide seat, water will get everywhere because it goes along the rails, and then also from the seat that sticks out, it'll go on the floor. It'll also scratch up your cabinets. If you don't want to transfer sideways, then you could get one that rotates. But a sliding chair in a rotatable seat is actually for those that can use their legs, but you can still use it. Having a seatbelt for your shower chair is actually very helpful. It keeps you from falling and then also prevents your butt from sliding down when you're wet. Especially if you pick up your feet to wash them, you're going to end up slipping. But if your shower chair doesn't have a belt and you want one, then you can always use Velcros. Now I may well buckle myself in. You can also get a chest strap to be extra secure. And this is what it's going to look like. If you want to see more quick tips, tricks, then consider subscribing. And as always, stay humble. Till next time, bye.
Yes.